This is the FiiO Q1 Mark II DAC and headphone amplifier made for those iPhone lovers. So yes, you can use it with your iPod, your iPhone, and also your iPad. Android users, well, there are ways that you can also make use of it. We'll talk about that maybe in the some other video, but there are ways. Don't be disappointed. All right, so what do you get? This is the thing, right? Very neat, very compact, made up of aluminum, so very sturdy. Yeah, and let me just quickly show you the controls also. This is the knob, your volume knob, and that's how you switch it on also. Very smooth, right? This is your line in and out, your line out 3.5 mm, and also the line out balanced 2.5 mm. At the back you have the micro USB port. There are two switches also, very hard to read, but one is for your bass and one is for your gain. Yeah, so you can make use of that as well. So pretty compact. Let me just switch it off and show you what else do you get in the box. So besides the DAC, you also have this mesh pouch, which is fantastic to keep things in shape. This is the thing that you connect to your iPhone, the lightning port now with micro USB, and of course starting guide, warranty. This is the USB cable, high quality USB cable, and then you get these bands. Right now, what are bands for? Of course, to connect it to your phone, like so that they stay together. So this is not the right band size, but yeah. So this is how you're going to be using it, right? And believe me, of course it comes to the audio quality, and these are meant to enhance your audio experience, and it's just fantastic. Believe me, try to know what I'm talking about. You could have never imagined to get such a great audio experience from your smartphone. Of course, if having a good headphone is important, but that's like secondary. Important thing is what kind of music and what's the audio quality that you're actually getting, and it's just fantastic. We found the sound stage to be very expansive. The lows were very deep, very well balanced, and the bass, of course, with that switch you can add additional 3 dB. So for the bass lover also really nice. And if you're listening to some instrumental music, the separation between every instrument is just amazing. So it feels as if all the lows and the highs are truly brought out, and the audio experience is just top of the chart, man. You have to experience it. It's priced not for all that much. It's priced for 8,990 rupees. Now people would say, why spend so much? But believe me, if you really care about your music, there's nothing. It's pretty affordable, I have to say that.